Yeah, you can absolutely build your PV, so your solar, and your storage large enough to essentially accommodate all of your needs for an indefinite period of time. You could go fully off-grid, meaning you're completely detached from the utility 100%. That is a bold move because there could be, you really want to overbuild for that kind of scenario, so you're never without power. And we've done that. We've got some customers that have gone completely off grid. Other times we do what we call grid assisted, which is essentially off grid, but you've got that grid connection just in case. So you've got enough solar, you've got enough storage to really never pull from the grid ever, but just in case you've got like an entire month of very bad weather, you produce very little energy, or you've got a month of seasonal where you've got Christmas tree lights draining a lot of energy through the night or whatever. Just in case you've still got that grid connection to draw energy from the grid if you need it. So that would be grid assisted, we'd call that. So it's almost off grid, but not quite.